Hello, my name is Amandeep Kaur. I am student of Federation University of Australia, and I'm doing my master's degree in this campus. And here is my last semester, and I'm doing masters of project ITech 7415 in this semester. And my project name is Shri Trade Partners. This is import export business company. So they are in this project, the main basic things are import goods and export goods from the other countries and to other countries. So this one is international company, so it's like a Indian grocery store. Like in Australia there is too many Indian grocery stores, and they import and export some things from the different countries of the world. And also I just want to mention the project specification, because in our project we have to do some major tasks. So the main tasks are client and export orders, quotation management, invoice management, document and file management, and also the last one is notification management. So these things we have to do in our project, and we have to manage these things. And I am handling some major things. Before I want to mention my task, I just want to let you know like which language and which database we are using for this project. As a project manager, so I chosen ASP.NET for this project, and we will use HTML. So in HTML we are also using CSS and JavaScript for presentation formatting and the layout, and we are using MySQL database. So this database is really simple, and we already studied big data subject in this university, and so we know how can we use and how can we store the information in MySQL. So before my task, I just want to let you know about the major tasks. So I am performing few important tasks which one my group member suggest. I can do my best. So creating database to store the client information. So when client make order, and so how can we create the database to store the information of all the clients. So this task is handled by me. And also I'm doing write logic in code to redirect user based on the role of the user in, and develop backend logic to update the details of the database. And the last thing is list of clients to show orders. So these things I am doing. So we can do the for the backend we are using ASP.NET, and the database is MySQL, and we have already done few one home page and more pages for our project. One like the login, like they how can they log in, there should be username and password. They can simply put username as a like the email as a username and the password, and they will, when they log in successfully, it will redirect to the home page. So in home page they can see their previous bookings, and also they can make a new order, and they also can know the invoice, if the invoice is paid or unpaid. When the invoice is unpaid, the client will get notifications, because when they get the notification they will pay, and after payment the admin will get the email like the client has been paid this amount. So these type of things we have to do, and we have to perform in our project. For more information we will put more the in our written file. So I hope you will like and you will give good marks to us. And these are the basic information I have, and thank you so much for this. video.